So in preparing for a job in Canada and a career, the number one step is to find your passion. So throughout the courses that you've taken in your program, you should find one or two that really spark an internal energy that you can draw on. Second, find ways of expressing it. Either offer to be an intern at a local company that has that area of expertise that excites you, or what many students do, domestic students as well, is they imagine a side project that they can work on for 6 months or a year or 2 years. Something that can be a cornerstone of their portfolio when they go out and look for jobs. Ultimately, if you are choosing to work on a technology that's in its infancy, you're not going to be able to get a formal certification in that. And so by embracing it, finding internships, or creating your own opportunities through side projects, you'll be able to find placement and find success in getting a job. And then finally, once you do arrive in your dream job, never leave learning mode. I tell all of my students, the day that you stop learning is the day that you become irrelevant. So in successfully getting a job through the whole recruitment process, there are a few key steps that you need to follow. One is, make sure that your resume truly reflects who you are and where you want to work. Now, there are a few prerequisites to that. One is, try to get as many micro certifications as you can towards the position that you're looking for. Often, you can go to scan sites that will provide you with a list of certifications that you can get that will add to your score in matching your dream jobs in job postings. By getting those certifications and then strategically adding them to your resume, you're going to get a successful interview. That's just the first step. In successfully interviewing, you want to make sure that you're completely prepared, that you've reviewed the website of the company that's interviewing you, you've reviewed the LinkedIn profile for any of the people in the organization that you can find, especially your interviewer. Research things related to the business model, the strategy, the financials, the technology framework, everything related to the company, so that when you are in that interview, you can talk knowledgeably about the position that you want and why you want it. Finally, after the interview, make sure you follow up. Within 24 hours, email the person that interviewed you. Then, after 1 or 2 weeks, in a very methodical way, send little reminders to any contacts that were involved in the recruitment process, asking for a status update and reflecting how excited you are. I know it through personal experience. There are people that actually haven't scored that well in the interview process, but it is their persistence and consistency in the follow-up that gets me to hire them. And in all of those situations, I've never been disappointed.